Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tamara, and if you're new, welcome to the family. And please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So guys, today I will be showing you guys what's in my everyday makeup bag. Pretty exciting, I know. So guys, the first thing I'm going to show you guys, wait, should I start like from eyes to face or what? Should I like organize it? Alright then, let's start with the brows. So the first thing I use for my brows is always going to be my bag, or I'm going to show like this set. Should I take the most of the bag? These three things. These are the three things I use to get my brows on fleek. You know what I mean? So this is a brown eyebrow pencil. This is the blending to blend it out like this. And then this is the concealer to like neat it up. So this, if you want to get your brow done, or you're going to do your brow, these are the three main things you need. Okay, that's for the brows. So okay, let's move on to the eyes. So what I use for my eyes, I use these that and that. So these are like the four things I use for my eyes if I'm going for a natural look, like for everyday makeup. So I will use my mascara. These are not name brand. I have some name brand makeups, but majority of my makeups are not brands and like big brands. So I will use this for my my mascara, and then I will use this for my wings if I decide to make wings, like. And then I will use this gel black for my under eyes. So I'll use it right under here. Like it's like a gel eyebrow pencil, and it's black. So I use that to do under here to get that little pop. You know what I mean? Yes. Yes. So and then I use my lashes after I make my wing. I'll put on my lashes, and I use my ear glue, guys. I don't know who can relate, but I think this is the balm to put on your lashes. Like, you don't need it to put it to dry. It's black already, so it's not gonna won't be flaky, and you're just like put it on the lashes, tick tick, and that's it. And it just easily comes off when you're finished with your lashes. So I think this is like the to go. Comment down below, guys, and let me know if you guys agree with me and if you guys do like to use beard glue to put your lashes on. Put them on fleek. Yes. So let's move on to the face. So the first thing I do, I prime my face, and I use like regular prime. You can use whatever prime you want. Just get a prime your face, so that the foundation goes on smoother. Okay. Yes. And then the next thing I use is my foundation, guys. I use Fit Me at all time because it's pretty matte, and I have oily skin, and when I use Fit Me, it lasts all day. When I say all day, guys, I mean all mother effing day. Yes, for real, like Fit Me. Good job. Good job, Maybelline. I think it's Maybelline. Yes. Good job, Maybelline. Fit Me by Maybelline. Yes. Use that for my foundation, and then I will go in with my contour palette. So this is my contour palette. This is what I use. It comes with 6 different shades. These are like blushes, and these I use to contour. I use this lighter one for powder to put on my entire face. After, wait, I think I'm skipping a step. Well, just do this and then I can do that one. I use this on my face as a powder also to go on my entire face, and then I use this and this to contour my face. So I'll put get my straight nose and all of that. So I use these two, mainly this one to do my cheekbones. Yes, and I also use this palette for my eyeshadows. So as I said, natural look. I don't want any colored eyeshadow, so I'll use all three, like going with this, then this, then this, and I'll get like that's actually what I did today. So then I'll get like this look. You know what I mean? Yeah. Yes. So definitely a contour palette, and then I conceal. This is a new concealer, so I mainly use this one actually for my concealing. This is a LA Girl, I think. No, it's Maybelline. It's actually a Maybelline Fit Me too. So I use this one for concealing, like under eyes, on the blah blah, nose, bridge of the nose, on chin, forehead, and all of that. Then blend it in, blend it in, blend it in. After that, I go over it with my baking setting powder. Why do I always say baking powder? My setting powder, and this is what I use. And I set my face, so I put it under here, 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 and maybe draw a little line across here and let my face set. That's when after I set my face, that's when after like a minute or so, that's when I use my contour palette of this color, the brightest color. As you can see, I'm almost, well, I'm not almost over, but I'm deep down, because this is the one I used to go over my face, like to brush away the setting powder and like get my face on flick. Yeah. Then I go in with, after that, you can set your face, like the setting spray and all of that, but I don't have any. I do have one, but I don't know where it is. So I don't normally set my face. Sometimes when I find it, I set my face, but when I can't find it, I don't set my face. But you don't have to set your face, because this matte foundation, guys, you don't have to set your face. Because even when I don't set my face, it still lasts all day. So it's really, it's fit me, but it's like matte. So this is really good, guys. And then I will go in with my highlighter, like bronzer, put it on my nose, put it right here, put it over my eye over here, put a little right here. That's optional, but sometimes I do. And it's like a MAC one. I kind of stole this from my sister. Well, I didn't steal it from her. She came to visit and she left it and I keep it. Thank you, Sissy. Yes, and so for my lips, I normally will use lip gloss. So I have a few Guess lip gloss. This is just one of them. And then I have my my Fenty Beauty lip gloss. So depending on how I feel or what I'm going for, these are two different shades, I will choose accordingly. Okay? So yes. So that is what in my to-go everyday makeup look bag. Yes, guys. So as for brushes, before I didn't have a lot of brushes. Now I do. I recently bought some. I use my beauty blender to do the concealer under my eyes. You know, do the concealer part, and then I'll use this makeup brush. They're all dirty because I used them today. I use this makeup brush to put on my foundation. This is a foundation brush. It looks like this. I use this to put on my foundation and all of that. Get pretty. And then I use this one to put on my powder, and I brush away all those excessive setting powder and all of that, and I'm gonna get my face on fleek and all of that. Yes. And then for my shadow, which the natural, like as natural as you can get it, I use just this brush to like put on the different shades that I show you, and yeah, that's it. And I show you guys what I use for my brows already, and that is it. Today I'm wearing a lip liner, as you guys can see. Yes, so, and ta-da! That's what's in my everyday makeup look bag. So you guys can definitely go ahead and purchase this stuff and get this look, achieve this look. And just like for everyday, like some people do not like a lot of makeup, which is fine. So this will be perfect for you guys. Like, just you don't have to go with a lip. Just put a little lip gloss on and you are good to go. Okay, so guys, that's it in my makeup bag, for to-go makeup bag. So thank you guys so much for watching, and please remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below if you guys need me to do any more makeup video, or show you guys what's else in my bigger makeup bag. And all of that, all the brushes I use and whatever, just comment down below and let me know what's up. Okay, and if you have any questions, you know the drill, comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.